Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the Forex lot size calculator inside Tradingview in 2026. With the help of it, you will be able to manage your risk properly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription at 80% off discount, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday page in the description. In this particular sale, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So if you are interested, make sure that you explore the offers and hurry up. Now here on this page, click on this search icon here on the top. In the symbols, by default, you will be on the all section, but click on the option of Forex tab. Then launch the chart of that particular pair in which you would like to trade or on which you want to put the Forex lot size calculator. Now, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply connect your broker with it. For that, click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now, whichever broker you use, you just have to connect it here by clicking on the connect option. For now, I'm going to be connected paper trading with it so that I could show you how the options going to look. When you connect your broker, it will look something like this. You will see your account balance and a bunch of other information about your account. So once the connection is established successfully, you will see the buy sell option, and here you will also see the option of quantity. So when you click on the option of buy, it is going to show you the orders panel in the left hand side. So in the unit, you can decide how much you want to put in this particular trade. Basically, you can select your lot size here with the help of this unit section. So here, let's say I want to go with 1 unit. It is also going to show you the margin in USDT. So I would recommend you to keep it as it is. You can also just simply make changes into it just like so, and then simply click on the option of buy. So once you do this, you can also use the take profit and the stop loss here before clicking on the buy option. So once you have done that, click on the option of buy and your order will be placed. You can also use the search icon here on the top right hand corner. Then when you come here in the tradings tab, simply click on the one click trading option. So what this is going to do is it is going to put your quantity option here on the top. So you don't need to click on the buy option and then provide your quantity details. You can directly click on the option of this quantity tab. Then you can decide your lot size, your quantity, and you can just use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.